Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin is back on its way down. It can't just yet decide if it will break below 28.6k. As you know from my last videos, this is a very important support level. My primary expectation has been that we are going to go below it. We can see this development already in some altcoins, because they are making lower lows even today again, while Bitcoin isn't doing it just yet. And also my primary expectation has been that we break it. Yesterday we did break it. We made a lower low. That is a good sign for our scenario. Worked out as expected, and even now it's still working out as expected, and we can take a look at that. So Elliott wave triangle, pretty much the wave count from yesterday. Nothing has changed. I've just tidied it up a little bit, but here where we are imminently, nothing has changed. You can see that yesterday I made you aware already that I believe that the wave for E, which is an Elliott wave triangle, completed here at 29,850, and that the price in the current scenario should not trade above that price level anymore. Otherwise I would need to change here the overall wave count. It hasn't managed to do that. Actually, after my last video where I told you the price ideally would turn around now, because it did reach the 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level, the $29,640 level, which was for a wave 2, which you can see here on the chart, a wave 2, which is the maximum retracement level it should really do. I mean, it can go all the way up to the beginning of the wave, which is 29,850, but then it already gets a bit difficult. So currently it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. It turned around after the last video, which was expected. And however, or maybe let's just take a look what we're doing here overall. So we completed here the wave E, that is my current view. Also a higher wave degree, wave 4, and we might now be in the last sell-off phase. I already thought we could have been in there yesterday, and maybe we still are, because from the move from yesterday we can count as a first impulsive wave down, a wave 1. Consisting of 5 subwaves, and that this move up yesterday was a wave 2, just making a lower high. I warned you yesterday I wouldn't see this as bullish, and it currently doesn't look bullish. In fact, we're doing here something like a head and shoulders pattern anyway. Let me just put it on the chart. Left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, with the neckline here actually being around 28.7, 28.8k. Even though the real support is here at 28.6k of the triangle and of our target area. But yeah, it's looking like we are really forming here an impulse down. This is still unfolding. 1, 2, and the next wave down would be a wave 3. Showed you yesterday that this wave 3 would need to go, if I remember correctly, into the region of 26,000 to 27,000. Let's just do that now. I'll show you the Fibonacci extension levels for that wave. And yes, we would need to get to 26.8k. That is the 1.618 Fib extension. That would be the minimum target a wave 3 would need to do. And for everybody who has got no idea about Elliott waves, which is fine, check out my second channel, More Trading Online. There's a playlist about the Elliott waves. And I'm also currently working on my trading course, which I'm already offering on the website. This week we are covering the Elliott waves. But here it would look like something like that. Moving down in a wave 1, moving up in a wave 2. The next wave down should be ideally a wave 3 down in that region around 26.8k. Then a wave 4 to the upside. That wave 4 must not cut into the price area of the wave 1. So it shouldn't get above 27.9k, and then we will move down in a wave 5, a final wave 5, and that would complete here, this wave 5 of the wave C, here of the wave 2. So this would be the overall trend direction that I still expect. All of that is supposed to unfold, and it will unfold unless we start trading and breaking above 29,738. That would be in the invalidation point for this wave 2 here. But the real invalidation point, which is more important, is 29,850. So therefore, as long as we are trading below these levels, I will keep the current wave count, and my current scenario of an unfolding impulse down is still at play. Yesterday, it looked a bit like this could here be already a wave 3, yeah, because it came down quite strongly, but we didn't come down just far enough. Therefore, I relabeled it, but I already did that in the last video yesterday after it retraced quite strongly to the upside again. So currently all looking good, all going according to plan, but based on this scenario, we should really now move down further. Yeah, so we've now come down from that $29,738 level. We might now be in a wave 3. Of course, nothing moves down in a straight line unless it's called lunar, and therefore we could be in this wave 3, already be in a subwave. For example, we could have done here a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and the wave 5 would need to be very long. Alternatively, this could just be off the wave 3, the wave 1. We might now see another stronger retracement to the upside in a wave 2. That I would expect. Then we will move down in a wave 3, 4, 5. That will complete this blue wave 3, and then we take it from there, yeah. But what is very important, that we are continuing to trade below 29,738 and 29,850, and that we break below 28,600, and then in the next step that we break below 28,000. Those will be the very important targets, ideally for today. As you know, I will keep you updated. By the way, yesterday, for the first time in a long time, Bitcoin decoupled a bit from the stock market. Yeah, as I always say, I don't like those correlations. They are oftentimes random. They will change at some point because stocks or different assets, they always move in their individual waves. So if there is a correlation, it is always temporary. You know, if I give a correlation between the crypto market and the stock market, and I try to make a TA on the stock market, on the S&P 500, to get a price target for Bitcoin, it just doesn't make any sense. And I've been telling you throughout, and yesterday we've seen for the first time some kind of a decoupling again. Not for the first time ever. In fact, Bitcoin only started to follow the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ after COVID hit. Yeah, and they basically were aligned pretty much on the wave count. Not the same waves, but they correlated a bit. Now maybe that is starting to stop again. Yeah, we can observe that, of course, but therefore I don't like these correlations because they can change at any point. It's best to analyze each chart individually. So yeah, that is what I'm looking here for today. You know now what you need to look out for today as well. Hopefully this sideways movement is ending finally, and the correction down will unfold further as we expected. What would happen, maybe one last word, what would happen above that 29,850 level? Well, it would just mean that the wave 4 isn't finished, yeah, and maybe I need to extend the triangle as well. It just means there needs to be an extended wave 4 that could go, for example, into the region around 31,500, but I will update you should we really get above that level. Okay, that's my view about Bitcoin. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership to get access to the Telegram live chat groups, the Discord server, and the weekly live stream. There will be one weekly live stream on Sunday. And we usually cover an interesting topic on Sunday. And if you're really interested, check out the trading course I'm currently offering on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.